You can find the 4K dashcam for BMW 3 Series in the video description below. This is the box with the dash camera in it for BMW 3 Series F30 2013. It can fit also for BMW 3 Series F31, F34, F35, and M3 F80. The Mangoal 4K video camera has a 12-month warranty. So, inside the box you get some installing instructions. This is the user manual and 2 black cable ties. These are some guides when you need to connect the dash cam to your smartphone. This is the rear view camera that you can install it on the rear window. Here is the rear view mirror plastic housing with integrated 4K dash camera. This is a trim removal tool, and this is the plug-and-play cable which comes from the 4K dash camera to the rain sensor of the car. Here is the 128GB memory card that you have to insert it in the dash camera. And this is the GPS antenna. Here is the rear view mirror housing that you have to remove it. One, remove the plastic cover from the rear view mirror housing. It comes apart in 2 pieces by pressing the joint in the middle and then sliding both sides to the left and right. Two, split the video camera housing in 2. 3. Disconnect the car plug from the rain sensor and install the adapter cable from the 4K video camera. 4. Install the car cable from the rain sensor to the adapter cable. 5. Connect the 4K video camera cable to the adapter cable. 6. Install the 4K video camera behind the mirror. 7. Be sure to hide all the cables inside the camera housing. The dash cam turns off automatically with the car and is not powered by a separate battery that can overheat. 7. Insert the SD card into the 4K video camera. Then peel off the sticker from the camera lens. The dash camera is mounted in the interior above rearview mirror without disturbing or obstructing the driver's visibility, like an OEM BMW video camera. No messy wiring exposed, no complicated rewire at all. Perfectly integrated with BMW 3 Series F30, F31, F34, F35. 8. Download the SkyCam app using the QR code from the user manual or from the App Store or Play Store. Then connect via Wi-Fi with your smartphone to the camera and you will have access to the videos recorded by the video camera. So, if you open the SkyCam app, you can see the app settings where you can choose the language and the date format. Here are most of the languages from where you can choose. If you go to camera, you can see the dash camera recording. And if you go to camera files and then in the loop section, you can see all the video recordings from the dash camera. You have to know that loop recording can automatically replaces old videos with the newest ones when the memory card is full. You also have the snapshot section where you can see the pictures that you have made by pressing the button from the dash camera. In the locked section you can find the locked videos if the car have been involved in a car accident. The 4K dash cam has a G-sensor that detects a sudden collision and immediately save and lock current video to a specified folder. And parking section where you can find recording videos that were made when the dash cam was in parking mode. In camera settings you can turn on the sound recording and the speaker volume. You can modify the image resolution and video resolution. You can change the loop recording, which is the length of the video recording. Also, you can download each video from the dash cam or you can copy it from the SD card. Here's how this 4K dash cam mounted on a 2013 BMW 3 Series films during the day. The time and date on the video are set automatically when you connect to your phone. The camera's resolution is not at its maximum. We set it to a 1080p resolution, but the camera can also film in 4K. So even so, you can see the very good image quality and almost everything in the video is distinguishable. At night, the dash cam films quite well. You can see the traffic signs very clearly, both those on the road and those on the sides. Even in less well-lit places, the image played by the camera has a very good quality. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Thank you for watching.